Hi, this is James Frey with Alberta Health Services for Health Matters. Today we're talking to Chris Windle about the Ignite Your Spark campaign. Now, Chris is a counselor with addiction and mental health, and the Spark campaign is really intended for youth 12 to 18 years old, right?
Yes. What we're trying to do with the Spark Fair or Ignite Your Spark is to get youth energized about the potential of being involved in something that they're passionate about, that gets them excited, and that's really what a spark is. It's kind of a metaphor for that activity or that passion that they have. And we require kind of three things to get them interested is making that spark available in the community for it so that they can explore that, having youth identify a spark that they're interested in, and then also having supportive, caring adults in the community that can encourage and support that spark too. So that's the intent of the fair, is to introduce youth to a whole variety of activities that they could participate in. Maybe it's art, music, science, sports, whatever it could be. And they can come and try it out, see what it's all about, see if they maybe even have a passion already for that. They're going to gravitate towards that booth. If they don't, they can try out a bunch of other things, and it's very interactive. So they're not just going to go and pick up a pamphlet about it. They're going to get to try it out while they're there. And the other goal of it, of course, is to connect the youth with those people in the community that also share that spark. So, maybe it's someone who just absolutely loves knitting, and they want to show kids how to knit and get them passionate about that sort of thing, and then they can connect them with other events or other organizations within the community that'll help support that as well.
Now, the fair is coming in April, is that right? April
2nd in the afternoon. It's a Wednesday afternoon, and so we have got the schools on board with us to be able to market it to the students at the school and encourage them to attend. So some of them might even get out of class early to be able to come to it, so a little bit of an incentive there for them to attend. Parents are also welcome to come along. I know sometimes for the older youth, they may not always want their parents hanging on, but some of the younger ones do. And we'll have information there for parents as well, and they can check it out. And for the youth to attend, the parent does need to sign a waiver form for them so that they understand what the youth are going to be experiencing when they're there, and can give them permission to attend, basically. And yeah, it's at the exhibition, so we'll have a whole area there. It's in the same area as the farmers market usually is, so there will be tons of activities for them to participate in.
Now, you're looking for, I guess, the people to set up displays as well as youth to attend, correct?
Right. Right now we're working on trying to find our spark champions, so those adults that share that spark and want to pass that on to young people. So we are kind of doing some recruitment, I guess, if you want to call it that, to get the spark champions. So if anyone is interested in, and they have a spark that they want to share with youth, they can contact me, and we'll get them set up to participate in the event. And it's, like I said, from 2 till 6 on April 2nd, so it's not a huge time commitment, but the value of putting in that time for youth is well worth it.
Now, Alberta Health Services is one of the organizations involved in planning the event. There's a bunch of other coalitions, local coalitions, that are working on this as well, right?
Right. We have 3 coalitions. They are community drug prevention coalitions, basically, and but they have a variety of different sort of goals within those coalitions. One is ALERT, and that's the Assisted Learning Environment Response Team, and it's basically a school-based coalition that's supporting that. We also have CSART, which is the Community Substance Abuse and Awareness Response Team. I hope I got the acronym right there. And they are supporting that, as well as CDAC, which is the Community Developmental Assets Collaboration. And so all of the members of those coalitions are helping to plan the event, helping to support it. So it's not just Alberta Health Services that are doing it.
So April 2nd,
April 2nd at the exhibition.
Yep.
And if people want to contribute, want to be a Spark champion, they can get a hold of me. And I can give you my phone number, which is 403-388-7683. Or you can email me at chris.windle@albertahealthservices.ca.
Okay, great. Thank you very much, Chris. This has been some great information. This is James Ferrier with Alberta Health Services for Health Matters. See you next time.